Let's dive right into our crash course on how to become a Twitch streamer using OBS. Step 1 is to create a twitch.tv account, and from there you can customize it and give your channel an entire vibe. You can pick a profile picture, social media, choose profile colors. The options are pretty broad. It's awesome. So once you have your channel customized the way you'd like it to look, you'll click in the top right corner and you'll go to Creator Dashboard. From there, you're going to come to the left and click on Settings and go to Stream. And then this primary stream key is what you're going to need to put into OBS. We want to copy that. Now, you may not even need that in newer versions of OBS, but depending on what version you're running. Anyway, go into OBS, and then you're going to click on File and go down to Settings. You're going to click on Stream. Now, if you need the stream key, you can put it in here, and then click Apply and OK. But if you have the option, I would suggest clicking this button that says Connect Account, and then from there you just log into Twitch. It will send you a security code, and then you have to confirm that. Make sure you're a real person. Go ahead and click Authorize, and then it will authenticate for you. You can add some add-ons if you'd like. I don't currently have any, but I hear they're very cool. Once you're all done, you click Apply and OK. Now it's going to insert some docs. They're currently floating, but I prefer to actually dock them somewhere. That way I can just have everything on one screen. I don't have to keep floating between windows. Now you can set up your stream information, give each video a title. You can also customize the notifications that get pushed to your followers, which is pretty cool. For category, you'll select the type of game. You can type, first-person shooter, RPG, but a lot of people will put in the specific game that they are playing. Make sure chat is set up the way you want it, and go ahead and organize all these panels before you start streaming, just so you don't have to do a lot of clicking while you're live. Once you have everything set up the way you like, you can hit the Start Streaming button, and you are live.